Hey guys, Lauren here with the Pavement Ins channel, and I'm heading out for an overnighter again locally. And of course, even though I'm kind of anxious to get to my campsite and sit by a fire, I have to stop for a while and just admire what's going on out here. Probably the only thing that would make this spot better is if there was a level area I could park and camp right by that waterfall back up in there. Beautiful spot. Well, hey guys, here we are in camp. I didn't video while I was setting up in the rain. I'll be honest with you, I just kind of didn't feel like messing with cameras just then. You guys probably remember this spot from a couple weeks ago. And I just decided, hey, I wanted to try this same spot out in the rain. It's a gorgeous little place right by the creek. And chances are people aren't going to be out in this kind of weather, so I kind of feel like nobody else is up here but me, and I kind of like that. Not doing anything outrageous this time, you know, like taking a big screen TV or anything like that. This is just as simple as it gets. My only luxury is my little make-do awning, and it's working fine, keeping me dry. The fire's coming in here, keeping me nice and warm. There's nothing to complain about. This is just a gorgeous day, and it's refreshing. The air is clean. Well guys, it's been a great day here by the creek. I just spent a few hours here by the fire. Ate dinner, been reading my book. Just really been relaxing and enjoying this. And here I decided to just turn the cameras off for a while. Enjoy some simple meal here. Do my reading. And it's just been very pleasant. So I'll probably call it a night in just a little bit. Head on to bed. I'll tell you what, I usually sleep really well when I've got the sound of a creek and it's kind of cold out. Snuggle down there in the sleeping bag and I sleep pretty good. So I'm kind of looking forward to that when the time comes. So I guess I'll see you guys bright and early in the morning. Night. Last time I lit this, I pretty much slopped the gas all over the place and scorched things that I didn't want to scorch. Because you're really only supposed to put gas right down in here. But not me. Last time I slopped it all over and scorched a few things. That's alright. Even when the flames are get onto the tank that other morning, there's really no danger of explosion because this valve is open, so it's always bleeding pressure into the burner. Take a pin. So we'll borrow a little gas from the tank. Drop it in there. Now that heat will prime the pump, as it were. It opens up the valve, allows it to open up. Good morning, you guys. It's been a great night, slept real well, and there's just nothing like waking up to the sound of a rushing creek and knowing that you're out here all alone and there aren't any crowds of people crushing in on you. Yeah, definitely safer than being in Walmart, that's for sure. But I haven't spent a lot of time talking this morning, fortunately for some of you. I decided that starting coffee was priority. I think this place is nice enough. You may see me here another time or two before the season's out. probably bring the rest of the family here too one day. I think there's enough space for a few people. I'll probably pack up fairly soon and then just do a little bit of trail exploring before I head for the ranch.